In this video, I will show you how to cancel a Zelle payment on Navy Federal. So first you need to determine if it's possible for you. You can cancel the payment if the recipient hasn't enrolled in Zelle yet. Now you cannot cancel if the recipient is already enrolled, since Zelle payments are instant and final in that case. So here are the 6 steps you need to take. First, open the Navy Federal mobile app and sign in. Then tap the More or menu icon and select Send Money. Then choose Zelle and then tap on Activity to view recent transactions. Now look for the payment you want to cancel, and if it's pending, go and tap on Cancel Payment and confirm. If there's no cancel button, the payment went through and cannot be reversed through Zelle. If the payment was sent to the wrong person, your only option is to either contact the recipient and ask for a refund, or call Navy Federal for support to see if they can assist. So now you know how to cancel a Zelle payment on Navy Federal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.